Welcome to Outlaw Woodworking. Okay, today's the day I got to get rid of this tree. I've been putting it off for a long time because it's a beautiful big tree. It's a big diameter. It's like 2 feet in diameter. And right here I put a notch in the front of it. I kind of look at where I want it to fall. So I put a notch in the front, and then I stab a cut through the back, leaving about, I'd say I left about 3 inches of this thing. And then I realized my TOOLCAT was right in the way. Just in case I made a mistake, it would come back and just squash my TOOLCAT. So right there, I cut the bottom one, and then I cut the notch down from the top down. And I'm probably notching in about, I would say about 10 inches at least in the front of it, aimed where I want it to go in that opposite direction, obviously. After I get this notch kind of cut out, which my chainsaw is only 18 inch and this tree is 24 inch, so I kind of had to go back and forth and get this notch cut out. But right there I get it cut out. Then I stab a cut in each side, and right here the chainsaw gets stuck in there. I had stabbed both sides, and then right there it got stuck. So I had to go up and get my shims. Once I get my shims, I pound in my shims, and I still couldn't get my chainsaw out. And that was kind of a bummer. I wasn't expecting that, because I got four shims that are like 0 to 1 inch thick, and I thought those would get my chainsaw out, but it wouldn't get it out. So then I realized, shit, I gotta go get my another bar and another chain. Once I get the new bar and chain put on, I then start to cut back into the same spot that I had left out. And I didn't have much to cut, actually. There it goes. You can see that's a pretty big tree. That's about it. I really didn't want to cut that tree down. It was in the middle of my garage. I'm going to build a garage here, and this tree was in the middle, and I thought, I just got to get it done and not think about it. But it was a beautiful big tree, and I'm going to utilize all the lumber in this tree, so it's not going to go to waste. Anyway, thanks very much for watching Outlaw Woodworking, and please subscribe, like the video, and I will see you next time. Later.